Hi guys, okay, so I want to try something new. I want to make body butter. I never did it before, so it will be fun. Anyways, I found a recipe online that is mostly shea butter. So that's really soft and good for the skin, so I like it. I got these cute little jars. I just got 5. Let's try it out. I got a hand mixer, so let's try it. Okay, here are the butters and oils. We have shea butter, coconut oil and almond oil. We will melt this down and then we will add the scent and the color. Here everything is melted down and I mixed everything together. And I read 2 options to make body butter. One is to melt everything down and use the mixer, so that's what I'm trying right now. But that didn't work. And the second option is actually put everything in the fridge for the night and try to do it the next day. As you can see, that's the second option I'm trying. And that worked amazingly. So right now I'm using my hand mixer and everything is working out. It's surprisingly easy. I was expecting a lot of work. And as you can see, I just made a little bit just for myself to see if I like the recipe. And I didn't. I like how it works and how everything feels. However, it feels too greasy for me. And I don't know, I hated how it was getting into the tubes and everything. It was just really messy. I didn't like it. For me. I understand if people like it for them, but I didn't like it for me. So I'm going to use another recipe and I will post the other recipe whenever I find the right one. However, it looks cute. It works fine. The texture is actually great, but a bit too soft. I like it a bit harder. This felt more like a lotion than a butter. But as you can see, my skin is sparkly and really soft. But just a bit too greasy for my liking. But thank you for watching.